Hey guys, welcome back. Left-handed chef here. In this video I'm going to show you a great dinner recipe I cooked this past weekend. Thyme and rosemary basted pork tenderloin with a potato au gratin or French style scalloped potatoes. This style of potatoes goes great with meat in general. For those of you who may not eat pork, chicken or beef is also a great substitution along with thyme and rosemary. If you are vegetarian, I would recommend mushrooms of some kind, perhaps large portobello mushrooms. Let's start with the potatoes. These can be made beforehand. I like to prepare all the ingredients and get this in the oven a few hours before I'm ready to cook the meat. This gives you some time to focus on the protein. The recipe is simple. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Thinly sliced potatoes of your choice, about 2 pounds. Today I'm using baby golden potatoes. You can peel them or not, it's totally up to you. The skin on these are quite thin, so I'm leaving them as is. Thinly slice 1 yellow onion and smash 5 garlic cloves and chop them roughly. Add 1.5 cups of heavy cream into a saucepan on medium heat. Add the onions along with the garlic. Salt and pepper to your taste. I like a lot of black pepper. Add some butter and let it simmer. Heating the cream beforehand will speed up the overall cooking process. Pour the ingredients into a baking dish. Add the potatoes. I like to use this traditional Macedonian ceramic pot for these dishes. If your vessel does not have a lid, cover it with aluminum foil. Add the covered potatoes in the preheated oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour, uncover the potatoes and let them brown. This will also reduce the cream to a thicker consistency. After about 2 hours, my potatoes are ready to be served. As I mentioned earlier, this dish can be cooked beforehand and then reheated. It's even better the next day. Okay, next we're going to trim the pork tenderloin. Trim off any excess fat. You may notice the silver skin that is covering this cut. It is quite unpleasant to chew, so I suggest you trim off as much as you can. This will be worth it. I cut this into equal parts so it fits in my cast iron pan. Drizzle a healthy amount of extra virgin olive oil and season with salt and pepper. I put this back in the fridge for another hour to marinate. I'm going to sear the pork in the pan and finish it off in the oven. Get your pan nice and hot. Add a little butter. Sear the meat for around 2 to 3 minutes. We are searing this on high heat to develop a nice dark crust. Get your herbs. I'm using thyme and rosemary. Flip it and add more butter. Into the oven it goes, at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 minutes. The pork should reach a minimum of 145 degrees Celsius for food safety. This cut is very lean and will dry out easily if it is overcooked. A food thermometer is a great tool if you want perfectly cooked pork. As it cooks, baste the pork with the herb-infused butter once or twice to keep it from drying out. Take the meat out and wrap it in aluminum foil and let it rest for 5 minutes. Slice the pork into medallions. You may add some of the infused butter. Serve with potatoes and you're set. These French potatoes are my wife's favorite and I do enjoy making them. They are really versatile. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you try this recipe. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please like this video or leave a comment.